What's up guys? Costa Rica day 3. We're doing a hike again, I think to a waterfall. So I'm really excited for that. We're 6:21 right now. We've got like 2 more minutes. We gotta get out the door. So day 3, going on a hike. It's gonna be awesome. Here we go. Sarah's got a stinky sleeve.
Like in Colorado, it was dry in like 2 seconds, and here it's like 3 days later. Still
She's trying to wave the stink out of her left sleeve. Her right sleeve is still okay though.
This one's
So just make sure to stand on her right. You ready for that today?
I'm ready.
Do you have any strategy for this one? Not get bit by bugs.
Yeah, that always be a plus.
Okay. I don't think we're gonna post that part. The coffee, or is it rice and beans anticipation?
the rice and beans anticipation.
Guys, let's see what that waterfall is. Whoa! Wait, do something crazy. It is pouring rain again. Look at this rain. These guys are on a mission. I'm trying to video and keep up with them at the same time. We got this. Oh yeah. Still dry. Look at this view, guys. Only letting up the water. This is crazy. Look at how blue that is. Oh my gosh, this is the picture that I've been preparing for since I got my camera. Made it to the end, guys. Look at this waterfall. Look how blue that water is. Not much to say. I mean, it speaks for itself. Look at that. We are on our way back now, climbing up these like billion stairs. It's such a good, actually pretty good workout.
Only the snake, extra lethal, is a bush monster. After bush monster, the second one lethal snake, women's in Costa Rica.
We made it to the top, y'all.
What are you doing?
How narrow these stairs are, guys. It's like a single plank. And I'm gonna fall over while I'm trying to video over this. Okay, that was it. I guess you can't see the volcano, but this is still pretty cool.
Wings and get out the liquid from the back body.
That's rad.
It's making me nervous, Laura. You get nervous?
What are those?
We are pretty much done with this hike. It's actually pretty hot out now with the sun. How was your hike?
It was fun.
What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to best of your life?
Hard question. It was pretty darn cool.
Yeah. Pretty darn cool.
So like 9.
9. For food, Laura,
Heck
how does
yes.
it feel?
It feels really good. I'm
So now
excited.
that food is
Food is
coming.
the best thing ever.
Food is the best thing in our lives.
But even though they say you can't live without water, I can't live without like 20 minutes and I'm dead.
That is another life lesson from Laura.
I can feel it. I can feel it all over.